What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great, you are all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. In this video I am going to review some fragrances from an Indian house known as ADIL QADRI. ADIL QADRI is an Indian brand owned by a boy with the same name, ADIL QADRI. I met him last month in Beauty World Dubai 2024, and he's such a nice and humble boy. So ADIL QADRI by himself appeared in the first episode of Shark Tank India season 3, and since then he became a sensation. He's a celebrity now. People love to take pictures with him, and he's doing very good. And even his brand, ADIL QADRI, is doing great. So after all that hype, I decided to get some of their bestsellers, and I got 4 of their bestsellers. So I'm going to review 2 of them in this episode, and then I'm going to make another episode for the other 2. So in this video, I'm going to review one of their most famous, or you can say their flagship perfume, Shanaya, and the variant of the same perfume, Shanaya Gold. So in this video I'm going to review these 2 perfumes, and I will let you know that how these perfumes actually smells. We will talk about the quality and everything. So let's start our review, and as always we will start with the presentation first. So you will get Shanaya in this kind of packaging. You can see the box here, you can see the printing and the finishing. It's very nice metallic finish. The background is like maroon type of shade with this all gold printing. The logo of ADIL QADRI here. The name of the perfume, Shanaya. And this is Eau de Parfum 100 ml. Then you can see the design pattern on the sides. And then on the top you will get the logo of ADIL QADRI once again. And then here in the back you will find some ingredient details, the name of the perfume once again, and your manufacturing date and retail price MRP in India and UAE. Right now on the bottle which I got, the price mentioned here is only in Indian rupees, but I'm going to tell you the price in Dubai also. So this is actually a sleeve, so you have to pull it up to get your bottle. And then here you will find these papers wrapping your perfume bottle, and once you remove them here, this is the bottle you will got here. And the bottles here are custom made. These are not like those common easily available bottles in the market. These bottles are custom made, and now let me show you the bottle. So here you can see you will find these bottles in this cutout made of foam, and here is your bottle. This is the shape of the bottle. You will find the logo of ADIL QADRI here on the top. Then you will find the name of the perfume, Shanaya, once again printed on the bottle here in gold. And there is a beautiful gradient. This is a red maroon type of color. From this color to transparent. And this is a 100 ml bottle. You can see the cut in the bottom here. And this is how the bottle looks. It's rounded from the back and a little bit flat from the front. The cap here is made of plastic. It's not metal, but the finishing here is golden metallic. And let me show you the atomizer. And here you go. The atomizer is nice, and the fragrance is very nice. So let's talk about the fragrance now. Let me give you the notes breakdown first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So as per their official website, in the top you will get rose, saffron, pimento, and then in the middle you will get agarwood, which is oud, caramel, floral notes, and patchouli. And then in the base you will get resins, amber, woody notes, incense, and musk. So this is their official notes breakdown, and now I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, this perfume is all over in the room. I can smell it. The room is filled with this perfume just because of those 2 sprays which I did to show you the atomizer. So one thing is very clear here, that this is a perfumer, a beast type of scent. So now let's talk about the scent profile, the vibe, and the notes. So this is a very traditional oriental type of perfume, and definitely you will get a beautiful blend of rose and saffron. The oud used here is not very strong. You will not get that barnyardish type of oud vibe here, but yes, there is some very light woody kind of oud here. In the back there is a lot of musk. I'm talking about white musk here, and then you will get a lot of amber. So it's like a sweet, spicy, oriental, and woody kind of concoction. Rose in the beginning is not very strong. It's more on the sweeter side. So it's a sweet kind of concoction here. So if you like those sweet Arabic oriental type of fragrances, then you are going to love it. And if you like a note of incense, even then you are going to love it because this is an incense heavy perfume. The rose in the beginning is not very strong, but it's there in the beginning. It gives you that sweet rosy kind of feel here, but it's more on the saffron and incense and amber side. The final dry down is beautiful here. In the final dry down, it becomes less sweet. It becomes a little bit more woody, more ambery, and the spices becomes very soft. So this is about the feel and notes of this perfume. A very nice offering from the house of ADIL QADRI, and anyone who like these kind of sweet fragrances, especially for the winter season, because now it's winter, you can try this out. So this was about ADIL QADRI's Shanaya, and now let's jump to the other variation, or you can say the other flanker of this perfume, Shanaya Gold. And let me show you the presentation first. So here, this perfume comes in the exactly same packaging. The only difference is the color and the design here. So here it's white and gold combination. You can see the beautiful design pattern on the top, the logo of ADIL QADRI here, and then the name of the perfume, Shanaya Gold, and same size. And then in the back here you will find all the ingredient details and the price, etc. So let's open the box here. Once again, you have to pull it up, and here you go. Once you remove the covers, here is your bottle, and see how beautiful it looks. It gives you that feel of gold. So that's why the name of this perfume is Shanaya Gold. And now let me show you the bottle. So here, in the case of Shanaya Gold, you can see this is the shape of the bottle, very beautiful. And the gradient here is from golden yellow to little bit transparent. It's not exactly transparent on the top, but like it's a very light kind of gradient here. So beautiful looking bottle. You can see the printing and the finishing of the bottle and the shapes, especially the shape of the bottle. I like it a lot. So this was about the presentation and the atomizer, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown first, and then I'm going to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So here the official notes breakdown are cinnamon, nutmeg and bergamot in the top. And then in the middle, you will get dates and tuberose. And then in the base, you'll get vanilla, tonka bean, and amberwood. So this is the official notes breakdown of Shanaya Gold from the house of ADIL QADRI. And now let me tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So this is the perfume, once again, which is sweet. And this is all about beautiful sweet vanilla, tonka. Tonka is more prominent here. It's more sweet, little bit more powdery. Then it's about sweet dates. There is cinnamon, some spices, little bit of florals. You can smell tuberose here in the middle and in the back. So a beautiful blend. It's little bit spicy. Cinnamon is giving that spicy sweetness here to this perfume. So overall, once again, this is a sweet concoction. And let me tell you that this perfume is going to remind you very famous Lattafa's Khamra or Kilian's Angel's Share or Sharaf blend from the house of Zimaya. So if you like those kind of scent profiles, if you are after those fragrances which are very expensive now, you can try Shanaya Gold and you will be loving it. Same kind of vibes. It's not exactly the clone. There are some little bit differences here. For example, tuberose is more prominent here in this concoction as compared to the other. So if you like Kilian's Angel's Share, and if you cannot afford that one because they are very expensive now, do check out Shanaya Gold and you are definitely going to love it. So this was about Shanaya and Shanaya Gold. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So first of all, gender wise, both of these perfumes are absolutely unisex. Ladies or gents, anyone can rock it easily. For the age group, once again, anyone from any age can rock it, but I can say if you're around the age of like 19 to 20 plus years, then you can rock these perfumes more easily. You can carry them in a better way. And now let's talk about the performance. So performance wise, both of these perfumes are performer. They perform very well. I have tried these perfumes in indoors and outdoors. By indoors, I mean in my office where I stay like around 8 to 9 hours. And by outdoors, I mean when you left your home, you sit in your car, you drive here and there, you go to a mall, you keep walking there, you met with people, you had food, and you come back. So in all those kind of scenarios, they rock. So performance is very good, no issue, 10 on 10. And now let's talk about the season or weather. So for season, I would say that the best experience will come in winters. So The weather is already cold nowadays. Try this out. This is the right season to enjoy these kind of fragrances. Otherwise, you can also rock these perfumes in summers if you're staying indoors and if your environment is conditioned, air conditioned, is controlled, you can still rock it. And if you talk about the scenario for Shania Gold, you can rock it in any kind of scenario, like any kind, except sports activities. And for Shania, for me, I would love to wear this anywhere I go, like in my office, or if you are roaming outside, you are just going on a dinner or something like that. But especially if you are going for your Juma prayers, or if you're going for your religious activities, then this is going to give you that extra kind of feel here. So use both of these perfumes in any kind of scenario, no issue at all, except sports activities, because both of these perfumes are sweet, they are not fresh, they are incensey. For example, Shania is incensey, and Shania Gold, it's like sweet vanilla type of scent. And now let's talk about the price. So I got 100 ml bottles here inside UAE, but in India they're also offering 50 ml bottles. The 50 ml bottle is around 800 Indian rupees, if I'm not wrong. And the 100 ml bottle inside India is for 1200 Indian rupees. Do check out their Indian website if you are living inside India, and do check out their UAE based website if you are living inside UAE. I'm going to put all the links in the description box. You can check this out. So for 1200 Indian rupees, 100 ml juice of this quality and this quantity is really a steal, a banger. And the price of these 100 ml bottles inside UAE is only 53 UAE dirhams. With this kind of price tag, both of these perfumes are really banger. Trust me guys, they perform, they smell good. The bottle, the presentation, everything is very nice. And the price is very reasonable. So this was about ADIL QADRI's Shanaya and ADIL QADRI's Shanaya Gold. I hope you like this review. Do let me know in the comments box if you have ever tried or experienced ADIL QADRI's perfumes. I would love to hear your feedback. So this was for today, ADIL QADRI's Shanaya and Shanaya Gold. So I'm going to catch you in another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.